Parker will be next after he hits the free throw as we approach 2 minutes remaining. It's Crowder on its feet almost the entire fourth quarter. Easily fouled. You know, the first NBA champion was crowned back in 1947. That's 67 years ago. There have been a lot of great champions in the storied history of this league. They're all special in their own right, but there is something endearing and, as you said, Mark, inspiring about these Spurs, whether it's their humility, how unselfish they are on the court, the way they bounce back from last year's cruel ending, as Diaw gets his ovation. I think even the greats of the game, the Bill Russell Celtics, the Magic Lakers, the Bird Celtics, they're all nodding in approval of the way these Spurs play the game. They do it the right way, and you can appreciate it. I think even, not just those greats, I think the Miami Heat, I think the Heat look at them and say, they give them a round of applause. They acknowledge how special that team is. They deserve it. 1:39 remaining before the official celebration begins. Diaw and Parker, best friends since they were teenagers, playing together in France. 13 years together. He was a 19-year-old.